So, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about the Bunsen burner. The Bunsen burner is one of the instruments that are used to provide light, provide heat in the laboratory. Now, the Bunsen burner has the major parts that it contains. We have the chimney. We have the base. So the base is the one that is used to support the Bunsen burner when it is placed on the bench. Now, the Bunsen burner is able to produce two types of flames. We have the luminous and the non-luminous flame. Are we together?
Yes.
The luminous and the non-luminous?
Yeah.
Now, the luminous flame of the Bunsen burner is produced when the air hole is fully closed. The luminous flame of the Bunsen burner is produced when the air hole is closed. Are we together?
Yes.
While the non-luminous flame is produced when the air hole is open. Are we together?
Yes.
The non-luminous flame of the Bunsen burner is produced when the air hole is opened. Are we together?
Yes.
I would like us to see how the Bunsen burner is able to produce both the luminous and the non-luminous flame when the air hole is opened and when the air hole is closed. So I'd like us to have one of you, Dennis Tenio, will assist us to see how the Bunsen burner produces both the luminous and the non-luminous flames. So we use the matchbox. We use the matchbox so that it can light. So initially we want to see how the Bunsen burner produces the non-luminous flame first. The non-luminous flame first. So it will light. Okay. Let's give him time so that in clockwise direction. Right. So that is the non-luminous flame of the Bunsen burner. The non-luminous flame of the Bunsen burner, we have said it is produced when the air hole is open. And as you can see, our air hole in the Bunsen burner is being opened. Therefore, when the air hole is opened, the Bunsen burner produces the non-luminous flame. Are we together, class?
Yes.
Now, next is to see how the Bunsen burner produces the luminous flame. We have said that the Bunsen burner produces the luminous flame when the air hole is closed. Are we together?
Yes.
So it means that when we close the air hole in the Bunsen burner, when we close the air hole like that, then you can see that the Bunsen burner has changed its flame from non-luminous to
luminous.
Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. So that is how the Bunsen burner is able to produce the two types of flames, the luminous and the non-luminous flame. Now, a question may be asked, how can you improve or how can you increase the hotness of the non-luminous flame in a Bunsen burner? How can you increase the hotness of the non-luminous flame in a Bunsen burner? So somebody to give us the reason or to give us why or how we can improve the hotness of the non-luminous flame in the Bunsen burner. Yes? Good. Very good. So the hotness of the Bunsen burner can be increased by fully opening the air hole. So it means that when you fully open the air hole, there is sufficient air going to get into the Bunsen burner, and therefore the hotness of the Bunsen burner is going to be increased. Are we together?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Maybe, is there anybody with a question? Anybody with a question? Anybody with a question? Alright, so maybe we can meet during the next class. Have a nice time. Thank you.